Hello, hi there. I bring you good news about a good news bearer. This week we celebrate the life and the ministry of our father and the founder, Reverend Kiluba, as he celebrates 69 years. Now, this is 69 years of a life committed to the gospel, a life completely sold out to the preaching of the gospel, and that is a more than worthy cause to celebrate. He has become a voice of faith in the nations, and there are many voices that speak for many causes, but he has been faithful in the preaching of the gospel, in the deliverance of the word of God and the love of Christ in the lives of many throughout the earth. And we want to celebrate that. It is with great joy and excitement that we celebrate that. And we know that there are many people